Technology is advancing every day, and if you don't want to miss out on the latest developments, we recommend you keep up to date. The Famal MIG 250 Pro is a highly versatile welding machine designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced welders. Its outstanding features include MIG or semi-automatic welding, MMA or manual arc welding, and TIG or argon arc welding using a non-consumable electrode. One of the most attractive features of this machine is its ability to simplify the welding process. Once you have selected the type of gas and wire diameter, the Famal MIG 250 Pro automatically adjusts the current and feed speed. Did you think you'd seen the best of this machine? Get ready, because the best is yet to come. This functionality makes it an excellent choice for those just starting out in the world of welding. For more experienced welders, this machine offers the option of manually adjusting these settings, which are displayed on a built-in screen, giving greater control of the process. In addition, the Famal MIG 250 Pro can weld aluminum and is compatible with both 110 and 220-volt power sources, making it even more flexible in different work situations. Priced at only $250, this machine is a wise investment for those seeking quality and versatility in their welding projects. Wolfcraft introduces the Universal Drill Clamp. This support is the perfect solution for your drill, offering full 360-degree horizontal rotation and up to 90-degree vertical movement. Thanks to its ingenious design, you can hold your tool securely and keep it steady and in place while you work. But that's not the best part, because the versatility of this clamp goes beyond drills. It works equally well with milling machines and grinders, as long as the collar diameter is within 43 millimeters, making it a multifunctional accessory for your workshop. Its aluminum construction makes it durable, lightweight, and easy to use, all for just $39. The Sailrite cordless rotary cutter is an essential tool for all craft and sewing enthusiasts. Its cordless, compact design allows for easy and comfortable one-handed operation, making it an ideal choice for those seeking functionality and efficiency in their projects. This cutter is extremely versatile and can work with a variety of materials, including denim, leather, and if required, vinyl. One of its outstanding features is the ability to adjust the speed in 5 steps, from 800 to 1400 revolutions per minute. This allows it to adapt to different types of material, cutting up to 2.5 centimeters thick. The built-in light is also an excellent addition, providing visibility in poorly lit areas and ensuring more precise work. Priced at $245, the Sailrite cordless rotary cutter combines quality, versatility, and convenience, making it an essential tool for any sewing or crafting enthusiast. Pallet trucks often face challenges on tough surfaces such as grass, dirt, or gravel, which can limit their effectiveness. To address this issue and improve off-road performance, Amman introduces the Hutan, an innovative enhancement designed to optimize pallet handling in a variety of conditions. The Hutan consists of inserts that attach securely to both the truck and the pallet, allowing the truck to handle loads up to 500 kilograms with ease. Talking of quality, you can see that this equipment is good. Equipped with inflatable wheels, these inserts provide the traction and stability needed to move smoothly over challenging terrain. Priced at $369, the Hutan is presented as an investment that could change the way you operate your pallet truck. Is it worth it? If you're looking to increase the versatility and ease of use of your equipment on different surfaces, the Hutan could be the solution you're looking for. Marshalltown has transformed the ordinary paint bucket into a truly special tool. This model, which costs just $10, has features that make it stand out. Instead of a conventional handle, it has a strap that makes it easy to hold a 950 milliliter container with one hand. One of the most useful additions is the magnets that hold brushes and rollers securely in place, preventing them from slipping or falling while you work. Everything about this tool is amazing, but what makes it really important is that if you accidentally dip your tool too deep into the paint, don't worry. The design includes 2 draining blades and a roller ramp to return excess paint to the bucket. It also has 2 spouts that make it easy to pour leftover paint back into the can. At a price that's about the same as 2 cups of coffee, these features make the Marshalltown Roller Paint Pail an attractive option for anyone who enjoys painting. Sound like a good investment? The EES 1403 edge grinder from the renowned German brand Eibenstock is an exceptional tool that stands out for its high quality and reliability. This brand not only assembles all of its products in Germany, but also manufactures 90% of the components in-house, ensuring a level of precision and durability that's reflected in the price. Although its cost of around $690 may seem steep, the EES 1403 is an investment well worth considering. This grinder excels at tasks that can be complicated, such as creating openings for windows, recesses for radiators, and other challenging areas. There is no doubt that these power tools are essential for any professional, as their design allows for efficient work on a variety of materials, including concrete, tile adhesive, flooring, and plaster, making complex projects much more manageable. With a 4mm disc diameter and adjustable speed from 4,000 to 13,000 RPM, the EES 1403 offers the flexibility to adapt to different job requirements. Furthermore, to ensure a clean and dust-free process, this machine can be easily connected to a vacuum cleaner, making it an ideal option for those seeking professional results and a tidy working environment. If you're a gardener, you'll appreciate the weed wrench, which has made the task of removing weeds and small trees much easier. This ingenious device resembles a lever with a clamp, but its simple design is the key to its effectiveness. With the weed wrench, you can uproot unwanted plants quickly and efficiently without leaving any roots behind that can grow back. And that's not the most extraordinary part, because we haven't even mentioned that its use is completely independent of power sources, as it requires no batteries or sockets, making it a highly accessible option for any gardener. This tool is ideal for those looking for an easy and hassle-free way to keep their garden clean and tidy. Ready to give the weed wrench a try and enjoy its benefits in your gardening tasks? This is an innovative manual and cordless cable puller designed to simplify the installation and handling of cables in a variety of environments. Equipped with a universal head, this puller easily adapts to pipe diameters ranging from 0.5 to 4 inches, allowing for great versatility in use. It also offers 5 adjustable positions to optimize operation and ensure efficient performance in different conditions. But let's talk about what makes this product magical. Its reel can handle cables up to 0.87 inches in diameter, making it a powerful and reliable tool for installation projects. With an impressive pulling force of up to 1,200 pounds, the Greenlee G1 Versatugger works effectively with an 18 or 20-volt cordless drill. These features allow tradesmen to complete jobs 68% faster than manual methods, saving time and increasing productivity. With an investment of $964, this tool will quickly pay for itself by making work easier and more efficient on the job site. The Knibble is an essential tool for anyone working with metal, providing an effective solution to the challenges of cutting this material. Cutting metal can be complicated and risky, especially when you lack the right tools and face tight deadlines. However, the Knibble transforms this task into a safe and efficient process. Designed to be used with a drill of at least 500 watts and capable of maintaining speeds between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM, the Knibble is perfect for making precise and clean cuts. If you're impressed by this cool tool, wait until you see this feature. Its design focuses on eliminating sparks, sharp edges, and burrs for a safer cutting experience. Users can take advantage of its versatility to work with a wide range of materials, including 1.2mm thick stainless steel, 1.6mm corrugated steel, brass, aluminum, and fiberglass up to 2mm thick. In addition, the Knibble is not limited to metals. It can also cut denim, leather, cardboard, and other materials, further extending its utility, all for a price of $166. Works has taken a step forward in garden tool design with the Jigsaw Chainsaw, a truly unique option on the market. This innovative tool combines a steel tooth clamp with a saw bar in a way that sets it apart from any other tool available. Powered by a battery, the jaw saw is lightweight and easy to handle, weighing in at just 8.1 pounds for the WG307 version. That's all well and good, but it's not the best thing about this tool. Despite its compact size, it's powerful and capable of effortlessly cutting branches up to 4 inches in diameter. This combination of ergonomic design and functionality makes it an ideal tool for those looking for an efficient and modern solution to garden maintenance. At just $143, the Works cordless jaw saw is an excellent addition to any tool collection, offering an innovative and practical way to tackle pruning tasks. The Festool Sizzlite Cal-C is an innovative cordless work light designed specifically for use in tight and confined spaces. With an impressive brightness of up to 12,200 lumens and a color temperature of 5,000 Kelvin, this lamp perfectly mimics daylight at its maximum settings, ensuring optimum lighting for any task. Its 180-degree rotating head allows you to direct the light where it's needed most. The Sizzlite Cal-C is equipped with a 4 amp-hour battery that provides up to 6 hours of continuous use, making it an extremely versatile tool. Impressive, although that's not the best part, as everything you've heard so far is just the tip of the iceberg. This product comes with a hook and tripod, making it easy to set up in different situations. You don't have to worry about dropping it, because its housing is shock, dust, and splash proof, ensuring its durability in demanding working environments. Compatible with all Festool batteries except the AO pack, this work light is a practical and efficient option. All this at an affordable price of $109, making it a wise investment for anyone looking for reliable, high-quality lighting in their daily work.